Marshal, I would like to ask you about this fifth generation fighter jet program today. Where do we stand, and why is India cautious about buying, say, the F-35s or the Su-57s?
So, to start with, we have been tinkering with fifth generation program for a very long time. I think since about 2014, Air Force has been making the PSQRs and requirements in consultation with DRDO. And last year, government had sanctioned the development of advanced medium combat aircraft, which is fifth generation aircraft with sixth generation technologies. On request of DRDO, actually, they said they cannot directly reach. So, in between, LCA Mark II project was also sanctioned along with it, so that the technologies could be matured on LCA Mark II platform. Like Defense Secretary Sir said, engine is the important thing, and that government is going to take a decision. Now, your question relates to the gap which is there from now to delivery of fifth generation capability. There is some gap there. 8 or 9 or 10 years gap will be there. So to fill that gap, yes, we are thinking only right now how that gap can be filled. So that there are various options.
So what are the top? So what are the top 2 or 3 priorities that you have?
Means I cannot list the platform that we are still working out, but yes, certainly fifth generation capability, long range air-to-air missile, these kind of we have a list. We have a list which, when my turn comes to say that, I will say that. But as far as fifth generation is coming, we are considering. That is for sure. But what we are not ready to open out as yet.
And about the anxiety that people have about depleted squadrons?
Yeah, depleted squadron anxiety is there. It is there with us also. So we are trying to utilize the resources in the best possible manner. That is, we have more simulators, so we are trying to reserve the flying hours. We are trying to train more number of people, so that number of sortie generation. We have increased the sortie generation rate also. Means each aircraft will be used for 6 sorties in one day. These kind of things we are doing, so that the amount of air effort required for a medium duration war we should be able to cater.
Does that impact on our combat capability at all?
That is what I'm saying. We are trying to move around that, rather work around that, to ensure that the combat capability doesn't falter in any way.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.